bag ma ye de fa presidential villa baby a president fa wo Ghana e de ko hitro e ma ye ko chi ye ngu ye nimu ase peniko a no hye sa drug deal na chi no ye hu no. Special prosecutor, if you don't have no work to do, let me give you some of the things Ghanaians want you to really go into. Baby, the only place only president is supposed to pass to travel was given to Namele Ametepe, drug dealer, drug baron. Emani de fa drug, ediko UK, emani begu o mine anymore say, yente wase. Metwaso. Say, ya papa Kissi Agyebeng pe adwuma ya. Mesi ama na adwuma. Adwuma me de baba ne bio ne say. Ya suma papa bi a ya frɛ John Dramani Mahama so one Brazil for embraya. Won kodi play ho bo ne won fa mbra yen. Wo ba no play na twede ne keke $17 million. Play na twede ne bo okra den chin play ni mu. Play na nkasa twede no edin. Hanga ne edi plane ebe sha ase keke no kura no ebo edi chin plane. When they kodi anim His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Martinami do say the late Professor Mills actually asked him to open an inquiry on Mahama for the embryo. Ye nya humu ayu ye sike ko mu yenje. If you want more serious stuff, your predecessor, Martin Amidu, came to tell all Ghanaians, say, Airbus government official one, no, it is Mahama, so he should shut up. Mr. Kissi Agyebeng, you want something to do, set the name Tamaklo. Ye peska dia man kwada dia ko school no, or so ane dia Mahama ho ya ne fepan to obedro Mahama ti e dia toto baase ho. And what in Sako Boss came $1.something million, say, yeah, the co-prente bass. And then, where Johnny Kwakoshe US, you have the powers to trigger Interpol. If you have any man who didn't you, Kissi Agyebeng, prosecute those cases. Kissi Agyebeng, if you want to prosecute NPP, I can give you something you can prosecute. Procurement officer, breach your course ho. Emma Sikabi fast, no sa papa me we afini. I know say he's in court facing it right now. But yet, that is a case you can try. He's MPP. Public Procurement Office. Samu kaya sa mind bi no. MPP ni mind bi no so say oye baba so oye danyo. Within 1 year no so ne bank account e chin Ghana ni na obi nim dwuma akodi ye. So the NDC for no na se won person obeji ska na MPP for ni bi wo ho beji yesi kama yen. But so we wadwen san kwase asam so na obehwehwe mu so amama bi ye gina ho na trace bu achi ni mesbel be kon ye se Mahama sesa yesi ka de mom de boy ommo metuwe na minim se sebe ye ma me mesbel ne ba bi afudwene trace bu achi na be boy amane se Mahama se asu afudwene nti wonpe na me se na mesbel ne ye ma me lodina ho na anyini anu nti ompe mesbel de na eye dwene no ba to pelodina de no Erade Nyankopo. Mese ni Addo ni Ada. We so me na mekan. We so me na mekan ya na mese ni Ada yenka bi nhemu. Ni yenka bi nhemu. E na ya yi Tracy Buachi. Tracy Buachi ni yi ya isani ya frɛ no yi nana akua mesbele. Ebe gina abonten ebebe kan se oso we yi nya de we so so de nya de oso we ya woteta we so ya woteta na ye di jimi ye ni eni mu hwe yada enti Kissi Agyebeng se woni adwuma ye se woni adwuma ye now the person we investigating kwasiade a eno be bia. The office you occupy is a big office, for God's sake. Look, when you were being appointed, look how many people were against your appointment. But we MPP said, it's okay. We know he works with NDC. In any case, special prosecutor doesn't have to come from the main party, even though that is what they do. Uber Brochira US, The last special prosecutor they had no you're Republican. Entino Mr. Kissi Agyebeng sanka wo pe bibia ya. Utie sanka wo pe bibia ya anka betumi akotwetwe sa case ne de aba. Once we go anymore as Supreme Court. On what basis were you freezing the assets of Sir John? Sir John abrabo boye ni na politics. Sir John we ask you about the obey ni na politics ya na. Eyamo NDC fo. Mo na mu ni adwuma mo de ye politics na ma fa no World Cup a. Wan ka se hu se ubetumi aye adwuma de abeta ho ade se government. Sister Ghana for sika akamo ye hia se sika no enye de Kissi Agyebeng to ho ye no won se we kogu nanimu ase akoma ya to agu kwa lawyer penny et say wa koma wo case ya because you want to do something for NDC to feel say oh na say he's not only after us, after all he's after the NPP too, he's doing certain things keke. Just that, just so NDC people can like you. NDC people, whether you cut your head for them or not, watch about coming na beba bro. Kono ko bi say attorney general and de no. Kono ko bi say attorney general say what one osu. Adentia. Wonya yes what the case ko court be na NDC fo aso abas ma trailer ma na de ko court e be de da. Martina me do wasted our time. Me say NDC for case nipo na home person wo de obe trial. Public Procurement Office NPP ni one kasama koto wo say we diska. Yes real. Investigate that one too. Investigate it. Neja is how useless you now person who de that populist way now. Last bet now why are you we pin to say you do we adwe ebe now we going to work hard. I have so many cases, cases in the day. Say John will obi a we will. Obi a we will. How authentic was that will? As a prosecutor, how authentic was that will? There was no authenticity in it. Because the actual will is still a subject of what litigation. As I'm making, one more ben busuani ni say, say John, ne Japadi anka say wohono, and to kwesi hon, e wo court. Obi anim sa. Brenason. Obi anim sa. And the special prosecutor, I put on this camera for you. There is a lot of serious things we need. Both on side, NDC and PP will be aware the Yesika for Yesika be no Yesika mayen. Nejai will be aware would be bra wa bona, Naya no be jina on a special prosecutor court and a freeze on one job. John Mahamo called $5 million bribe from Airbus. No, we're freezing the asset. John Mahama nde uko chado ansa na obedu onu fie ona parking lot na wona cars ye go ni na John Mahama de over 300 V8 nipa ba akodia over 300 go to chado for some of you na mom pe no kure no kwasiafo moto no some man sika wonti odimu di agro ko ni fie wa chado Mahama fie wa chado there is a house parking lot ansa na wadu onu ankasa ni fie ho cars ensum woni na enye dealership o Mahama cars no over 300 V8s or the year. How come we him? Nenya bra ukotoka $100,000. No abeton 10,000 Ghana cedis. Hey.